Wondering what's the difference between iron-on woven labels and heat transfer labels? Let's break it down. Both are great for labeling clothes, quick and easy to apply. However, the woven label is a fabric tag, while the heat transfer label is tag-free and has more design and color options. How to apply woven iron on clothing label? Before applying the woven iron on clothing label, ensure you use an ironing board for the best results. Set your iron to maximum heat and dry. Do not use a steam setting. Remove a label from the bag and place it face up onto your item of clothing in the desired position. Cover the label with a light piece of cloth or very thin handkerchief. Slowly move the iron over the label for 45 seconds, ensuring that the label remains covered at all times. Place extra pressure when ironing the sides of the label to ensure maximum adhesion to garment. Finally, allow garment to cool prior to use. And for heat transfer labels, it's same but slightly different. First, set your iron to medium heat, no steam. Place the label on the garment, transparent paper facing up, and press with the iron for at least 30 seconds. Let it cool for 45 seconds, then peel off the transparent paper. If edges aren't bonded, reapply heat and wait. Choose the label that works best for you, and shop now at Cashiers.